Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix where the email app on your Windows is not working. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix the issue. So click on the start button and go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on apps, installed apps. Now here in the list of applications, you need to look for the mail and calendar. So simply scroll down and look for mail and calendar. Or you can just simply search for it in the search bar just to easily find it. Type here mail and mail and calendar will appear. So click on these three dots that corresponds to the applications and click on the advanced options. Simply scroll down. Let this app run in background. You can choose this to recommended and then scroll down and you'll find repair button. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Click on repair. Now after you click on repair, try to launch the mail application and see if the problem has been fixed. But still, if the issue is still there, if this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So you need to go back into this same window right here and click on reset button and then click on reset button once again. Now once done, once you reset the application, close this window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then make a restart of your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows, launch the application and if it is working this time, then good. But if not, then move to the final solution. Click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on apps, installed apps. Now here, search for mail and click on these three dots, select advanced options. Simply scroll down and look for uninstall button. Uninstall this app and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. Click on uninstall and then uninstall once again. Now once you have uninstalled the application, open and bring up the Microsoft Store. So in the Windows search bar, type here store. Best match Microsoft Store. Click on that. Now here in the Microsoft Store search bar, type mail and hit enter. Now you will find this option. So you need to look for the mail and calendar in your Windows. So let's type here mail and calendar, the one that we have uninstalled earlier. This one, mail and calendar. And you will find that. Now let's confirm if we have uninstalled the application. Type here mail and calendar. Okay, we have uninstalled the application. Now let's just look for it here in the list of applications. So here it is. Now you just have to click on this get button. And this will reinstall the application back again into your Windows. So once done, click on open. And here you can just simply access into your mail application and you just have to simply sign in with your account. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.